A 25-year-old Muslim CJP volunteers visit to a government primary school in West Bengal as part of the School Tikaro campaign has cost him his father's life. Abdul Hafiz visited Karisunda Pakshimpara Primary School where he had once studied to inquire about the basic facilities and told a teacher that he wanted to start the campaign, after which the teacher asked him to return the following day. Hafiz alleged that the teacher later informed the local BJP workers who came to his house around 8 pm and assaulted him, and his 51-year-old father, Muhammad Mafik, was attacked with a tonki, a type of scythe, while trying to protect his son. Mafik suffered a head injury after the attack. The attackers also disconnected the electric connection of his house before starting the attack. He was slapped, thrashed, and assaulted numerous times. In a video, Hafiz shows bruising in his neck and says he survived by luck. According to Hafiz, the first police team reached the spot more than 2 hours after the attack, though the police station is just 20 minutes away. Although his father was bleeding, no police personnel accompanied them to the hospital. He also alleged that the police initially tried to arrest him but backed down after he began recording the incident and invoked Article 19 of the Constitution. The threats continued while he was in hospital with his father. BJP workers had surrounded the health center where he and his father received only basic treatment before Mafik was referred elsewhere, and that the attackers assaulted them again outside the hospital. With no other option, the family took Mafik home where he remained without further medical treatment on August 14 as BJP workers allegedly continued to surround the area. Fearing for his life, Hafiz fled the village with the help of members of other opposition parties, while Hasina Begum took the deteriorating Mafik back to Indus Block Primary Health Center on August 15, from where he was shifted to Bardhaman Medical College, where he died around 8 pm on that day. BJP workers also mobilized outside the police station to allegedly prevent them from filing an FIR. An FIR filed by his mother, Hasina Begum, at the Indus police station on August 16 names the primary school's headmaster, Kashinath Dey, as person who instigated the attack. The complaint names 5 attackers: Shrikanta Machi, Azad, Rohit Machi, Oshtam Machi, and Prasanna Machi, along with 8 to 10 unidentified men who attacked the family with sticks, rods, and other weapons. 8 people have since been arrested, including 3 named in the FIR. While Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari has said that those arrested are not from the BJP, local sources identify Oshtom Machi as the BJP leader in the Karisudha village, while other accused are described as active BJP workers and supporters. The point to be noted is that School Tikaro campaign is not limited to Hafiz, as many CJP volunteers, students, activists, and social media creators visiting government schools and documenting the problems. But it was Muslim volunteer Abdul Hafiz who was targeted, and it was his father who paid the ultimate price. Notably, in the days following the BJP's first ever victory in West Bengal, rights groups reported a spate of anti-Muslim attacks, including attacks on mosques and Muslim-owned businesses with at least 2 Muslims killed. For Abdul Hafiz, what began as an attempt to question the condition of a government school has ended with the loss of his father.